Christmas traditions. Families often have special things they like to do every Christmas. Let's see some of the different Christmas traditions that people have. You might see a tradition that your family also enjoys doing. Some families like to visit Father Christmas every year, before Christmas Day. Have you ever been to see Father Christmas? This family are decorating a Christmas tree together. This is an exciting Christmas tradition. Every Christmas, I write a letter to Father Christmas. What do you think I put in my letter? This family always leaves a snack for Father Christmas and his reindeers on Christmas Eve. They do this every year. It's a tradition. Some people love to bake Christmas cookies or gingerbread people. Yum! This is a tradition that I also have. I hang my stockings up every Christmas Eve, ready for Father Christmas. Some families go out to see Christmas lights in a town or look at the shops. Don't they look magical? Some families have a visit from a cheeky elf. Some families like to set up their own nativity scene at home. Other families might visit a nativity scene in a church. This family are having a special Christmas meal together. Can you think of another time or celebration where you have had a special meal? My favourite Christmas tradition is giving and receiving presents. I love finding out about Christmas traditions. Which traditions do you have at Christmas? Let us know in the comments below.